Struggling to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your PS5? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many gamers face this issue, but I've got you covered. Let's jump right in and solve this problem together. First, make sure your headphones support wireless USB dongles and that you have one on hand. This is a crucial step because not all Bluetooth headphones are compatible with USB dongles. It's crucial that the USB dongle you're using has a transmitter feature. This feature allows the dongle to send audio signals from your PS5 to your headphones. If the dongle only has a receiver, it won't work. A receiver-only dongle can only receive signals, which is not what we need for this setup. So, choose a dongle with either both transmitting and receiving features or just the transmitter. This will ensure that your audio is transmitted correctly from the PS5 to your headphones. Next, plug the audio dongle into one of the USB ports on your PS5. The PS5 has multiple USB ports, so you have options. You can use either the front or back port, depending on what's more convenient for you. The front port is usually easier to access, but the back port can keep things tidier. Now, turn on the pairing mode for both the audio dongle and your headphones. This usually involves pressing a button on each device. This step is important. Make sure both are in pairing mode. Wait a few seconds. The devices need a moment to find each other and establish a connection. You should see a fast blinking light on the dongle or headphones. This indicates that the devices are trying to pair. In some cases, you'll also hear a loud clicking sound to confirm the pairing was successful. And that's it. You're done. Your headphones should now be connected to your PS5. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more gaming tips.